In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PandaDoc templates effectively to streamline your document creation process. Whether you're sending contracts, proposals, or any other formal documents, PandaDoc makes it easy to manage these tasks. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your PandaDoc account. Start by opening the PandaDoc website on your preferred web browser. Once you're on the home page, enter your login credentials to access your account. If you're new to PandaDoc, you'll need to set up an account first, which is a straightforward process. Once logged in, navigate directly to the Templates area, which is typically found in the main menu. This section is your hub for managing and using templates, which are a crucial feature for saving time and ensuring consistency across your documents. Now that you're in the Templates area, it's time to choose a template that suits your needs. You might find a wide variety of templates available, each tailored for different purposes. Browse through your available templates and select the one that aligns with the document you need to prepare. Opening the template will allow you to review all its content and fields, giving you a clear understanding of what information is required and how it is structured. Reviewing it thoroughly ensures that you won't miss any critical details once it's time to send it. If you don't see a suitable template, or if you have specific needs that aren't met by your existing templates, you have the option to create a new one. Creating a template from scratch is easy, and it allows you to define the exact fields and content specific to your business processes. Tailor the template to include the sections and information you frequently need, which will save you even more time in the future. Now comes the step of customizing the template. Start with examining each section of the template to ensure it reflects the current needs and specifics of the document you're preparing. Modify any placeholder text, fill in necessary details, and make sure that all fields are correctly formatted. If there are parts of the template that need to be changed for different recipients, make sure those sections are flexible or adjustable as needed. Customizing your template to be flexible and adaptable is essential, especially if you deal with diverse clients or situations. By customizing your template thoughtfully, you not only enhance the efficiency and professionalism of your documentation process, but also ensure that each document is tailored to communicate effectively with its recipient. PandaDoc's robust features enable you to adjust formatting, insert images, and comply with your branding guidelines with ease, which enhances your presentable and professional output. And there you have it. Using PandaDoc templates efficiently can greatly facilitate your workflow, reduce errors, and present your documents consistently every time. Give it a try and experience the convenience it offers. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials on optimizing your business operations with